Wow. Hey, don't say that.
Dad, I know that smile. Your dad touched Mom's butt. Are you okay?
What do you say? Please don't think I'm a creepy neighbor.
Chicken, more chicken. It tells you for you, like, you have chicken every day.
Go inside.
Get away! Get outside! Oh, shit, there's a camera. Dude, just dodge the camera.
Camera recording.
I'm a part of this family. Daddy, that thing's scared